Here is a day in the life of a shoe restorer. First, we must do some shoe pickups, starting with these Raf Simmons. And then we also picked up these off-white ones. Then we must go to Walmart to pick up some shipping tape. Then we will start cleaning the Raf Simmons using Rejuvenators products, starting with the soft bristle brush and then using the medium bristle brush. Then we must pick up some products we got from Rejuvenator, which is the cleaning solution. Then we will clean the off-white ones. Then we will have lunch while the rafts dry, pick up some more shoes, do some more shoe pickups. We picked up some Air Force Ones. We must ship off the shoes we just got. Then I got on a Zoom call with Fred Hampton Jr. Then we must check on our Yeezys. And then we must clean up the Air Force Ones, place them in the laundry system. And then we must repaint the toe caps using Angelus white paint. And here are the results on the 3 shoes I did. And then we must also give these Yeezys another session in our sneaker icebox. And there you have it, a day in the life of a shoe restorer.